Good morning and welcome to Greensboro, North Carolina, home of Carolina Aircraft. I'm Brian Tuttle. I'm here today to show you one of our latest listings, this beautiful 1997 Turbo-Normalized A36 November 128 Whiskey Mike. Step in, let's have a closer look. Higher, further, and faster. That's what we all want when we get our pilot's license. And in the single engine piston world, there's only a few airplanes that can qualify to do all of those. In my opinion, the Beechcraft Bonanza is the better one of those. November 128 Whiskey Mike, we've got 2,960 hours total time since new. This engine, IO 550, 300 horsepower, has around 1,195 hours since factory reman, and this prop around 60 hours since overhaul. Now this is the Tornado Alley Whirlwind 3 Rammer 2 conversion. The Rammer 2 has the intercooler, which gives you cooler temperatures for your turbo and for your cylinder head temperatures. And along with that, you've got the Shannon baffling system, which also aids in cooling. And we have turbo factory GAMI injectors, which will also allow you to run lean at peak. November 128 Whiskey Mike, we have 80 gallons of total fuel, 74 of that is usable. This Tornado Alley system will go all the way up to 20,000 feet. We're running lean at peak there around 16 gallons an hour, and that's good enough for about 800 miles down the road. The paint on November 128 Whiskey Mike is in very good condition. This is Matterhorn white with charcoal gray and burgundy stripes. One of the many reasons that pilots buy the A36 is for the big double cargo doors that you see here. A lot of versatility back here. We've got the middle seats, you can turn those around and face forward if someone doesn't like to fly backwards. We've also got our rear seats here. We can, just a simple release here, we can fold these seats up and give us a little extra room. As we step inside November 128 Whiskey Mike, you can see a lot of room back here. I'm 6'2", 200 pounds. I've got plenty of leg room, plenty of headroom here. The interior is in very good condition. We've got great side panels here with burgundy trim. Our windows are in good condition, headliner as well. I've got 6-place intercom system. We've got 6-place oxygen system since we're turbo-normalized. Shoulder harnesses, emergency exits here. This is a very nice way for your passengers to travel. The instrument panel on November 128 Whiskey Mike is some of the latest Garmin equipment. We have a Garmin G500 primary display. Now this has synthetic vision, flight charts as well. We have a Garmin GTN 650 GPS Navcom, a Garmin 255A second Navcom, Garmin 330 ES for your ADS-B out. We have Garmin GDL 88 for your ADS-B in. We have a 2-axis King KFC 150 Autopilot with a yaw damper, and the G500 also has the altitude pre-select option as well. For our standby, we have a Garmin GI 275. The extras that you'll enjoy on November 128 Whiskey Mike include Garmin G500 primary display, synthetic vision, flight charts, Garmin G275 standby attitude indicator, FTA climate control digital air conditioning system, JPI 700 engine monitor, GAMI fuel injectors, 6-place oxygen system, yaw dampener system, 6-place intercom system, 4,000 gross weight increase with a 1,323 pound useful load. So if you're in the market for a turbo-normalized A36, make plans to visit Greensboro, North Carolina. Come and visit November 128 Whiskey Mike. This is a beautiful airplane. We've got 2,960 total time since new, 1,195 since the factory reman IO 550, only 250 hours since the turbo-normalized Whirlwind 3 Rammer 2 conversion. This airplane has the Shannon baffling GAMI injectors. We've got G500 Garmin avionics, so much more on this airplane. Greensboro, North Carolina. I'm Brian Tuttle, and thanks for watching.